That's super helpful. And if I could maybe, sort of dovetail on the comments around sort of the lower end of the market for a moment, maybe on pricing for Create. You guys just took price when I think the industry might have been at its weakest point, and it sounds like from a lot of our checks that there was basically no developer attrition. And I think at a high level, that sort of suggests that the price value relationship probably still sits in the developer's favor. I'm curious how you guys think about maybe striking more of a balance and then specifically addressing the low end of the market where a lot of your users are still unpaid. Is that something that, you guys would think about exploring over the course of the year, next year? Anything specific you could say on that front would be appreciated.
So yes, and your observation is correct. We still have pricing, flexibility, and we didn't get a lot of negative feedback when we took pricing recently around our, new pricing approach for the editor across different classes of users. Here's what I would tell you is what I expect right now to go from here. How do we get paid? I'll use the game industry. We get paid because of our Grow business, which is the larger of the two businesses today. Same customers paying us. We get paid SaaS revenue on the tools today, and then we get paid for UGS, more usage. What I expect AI does is it causes a lot of workload in the cloud, a lot of workload on Unity's servers. But in addition to that, cloud services that we're building around Weta tools, for example, or others within the Unity tool, like Unity tool place, like SpeedTree, for example. So I see a lot of opportunity for us to add ratable revenue as our developers start to use more AI tools and to build more complex and richer, more advanced worlds. So what I expect, pricing will kick in later this year as our customers come off their prior contracts onto the new pricing level. That'll lift revenues in the balance of this year. Added cloud revenue for more usage. And while I didn't speak to this yet, the runtime represents significant opportunity for us as well. And here we have an advantage. Almost all AI work that's cross-platform is going to end up being done on the server side. And that's expensive for our customers. We've announced Barracuda, which is a tool set that enables an inference engine to be run on the handheld device or the computer or PC or console. And we think there's opportunity in there. Of course, we want them to use our servers, but that they can run local is a big advantage for Unity over all other alternatives for this type of AI work.